Hello everyone, welcome back to this video. Today we're going to talk about how you can increase Snap scores on your Snapchat. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, here let me show you the live proof here. I have scores here my 432 at the moment. So I'm gonna to increase these. So how can we do this easily and crazy fast? So first of all, what you have to do is just tap here on your Snapchat, and then what you have to do is just here tap on plus icon, and from here tap on multi snaps. Okay, and then what you have to do is just take some snaps here, as many as you can take. So here will be the limit. So as you can see, here is the limit. Only 10 snaps can be taken at the moment. So after that, tap here on OK, and then what you have to do is just edit them here if you want, and after that tap here on send to. Okay, and then what you have to do is here is those shortcuts. So tap on this shortcut, and from here tap on new shortcut. So if you have already one, then tap here on new shortcut, and if you don't have, then create shortcut. So what you have to do is the very important here step is that you have to add the celebrities here in your shortcut. So firstly what you have to do is you have to subscribe to the celebrities and then add here. So I have already subscribed to them. So here you have to add the celebrities here in your shortcut. So add as many people as you can see, and then tap here on choose emoji, and then here you have to choose the emoji. For example, I'm choosing this one, and then tap here on create shortcut. Shortcut has been created. So tap on this, and then tap on save. So what you have to do is just tap here on this shortcut here, and tap on select, and all of these will be selected. Here you can see. So if you want to remove any of them, you can remove from here like this. And then after that what you have to do is just tap here on this send icon. So as you can see, my snaps are being sent. So these have been some sent and some are pending. So let them be sent, and then go back, and again let me show here my snap scores. Here you can see my snap scores has been increased 532. So that's the method you can increase your Snapchat scores. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.